If your Gama Sonic solar light is flickering or not holding a charge, the culprit is likely the battery. That's where this 1800 mAh Life PO4 replacement battery comes in. It's designed specifically for popular Gama Sonic models like the Baytown bulb GS-106B, Baytown GS-106, Baytown 2 bulb GS-105B, Baytown 2 GS-105, Bollard GS-127EZ, Flora GS-113F, and many more. Let's dive into what makes this battery a smart choice. First, the specs. It's a 3.2 volts, 1800 mAh, 576 watt-hour Life PO4 battery weighing just 72 grams, with dimensions of 66.0 by 21.2D by 18.6D millimeters. That's a perfect fit for your light's battery compartment. Safety is a huge deal with rechargeable batteries. This one has multiple protections: overcharge, over-discharge, over-voltage, over-current, and overheating. Plus, it's FCC and RoHS certified, so you know it meets strict standards. Installation is a breeze. Just remove the old battery, pop this one in, and you're good to go. No memory effect means you can charge it any time without reducing its lifespan. And here's the best part. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and responsive customer service. If you have any issues, they'll help you within hours. So, if your Gama Sonic light isn't working properly, don't buy a whole new light. Just swap the battery. It's cheaper and more sustainable. Click the link in the description to grab yours.